Let's see how to use this. It's a Thailand product. The product name is CocoThumb. CocoThumb. First it says to pull this, and then to press it, and then to insert. Okay, removing the straw, they're providing a straw, and this is a small coconut where the outer shell is removed. Okay, here we go. Let's test how it is. Okay, I'm gonna pull this. Cool, right? Oops. Oh, it's just this plastic plate, and then I'm gonna press it. Oops. Is that all? Is it all? Okay. And there's a plastic cover, so I remove it. And now I'm gonna taste it. Oopsie doopsie. Oh no. I think I did it wrong. Oh. Okay. I couldn't do it by myself, so he had to come and help me. Okay, let's taste now. He had a bit. That's tastier. That's tastier than the ones that we normally buy as packed or canned. And this gives a natural taste, of course. It's yummy. You should buy these often.